make sure you have a clean platter or plate or someplace to catch your finished product in. Never use the same raw food items with your cooked foods. That's called cross-contamination, and you don't want to get sick, especially at a party. Okay, these are done. Gorgeous. You see, it just took a few minutes. It took longer to prepare the marinade than it did to cook it. All right, beautiful. Nice grill marks. You see some of these lemons. Give them a little more love. That's done. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's got some nice marks on it. Look at that. Very pretty. Now, if I were to serve these as an appetizer, I would indeed have already deveined them and deshelled them so that the guests could just pick this up and pop them in their mouth. You could also use the reserve marinade that you did not have with the basting projects, and you could make a sauce out of that as a dipping sauce. Beautiful. Okay, these need just another half a minute. You can see our lemons are just starting to get a little bit of color on them. It's just a pretty way of finishing it. When I serve a dish, I like to have a little garnish on it.